Fugu, the deadly delicacy of Japan. Japan, a land caught between past and future where ancient rituals blend seamlessly with cutting-edge technology. Where the whisper of a bamboo forest holds the same reverence as the flawless blade of a samurai sword. Here, precision matters, devotion matters, respect for life in every movement, every gesture, every meal. And within this world of discipline and aesthetics exists a dish that unites all of these values and challenges them. A dish so dangerous that a single mistake can mean death. It is called fugu, the Japanese pufferfish, one of the world's most dangerous delicacies, a symbol of courage, trust, and centuries-old tradition. Those who eat it play with death and trust in the perfection of a master. At first glance, the pufferfish looks harmless. Round, slightly smiling, almost cute, as if nature itself had a sense of humor. But beneath its skin lies a deadly secret. Tetrodotoxin, a neurotoxin 1,000 times stronger than cyanide. It paralyzes the nervous system, stops breathing, while leaving the mind completely awake. Those who have felt it describe it as a slow, conscious drowning within their own body. And yet in Japan, this fish is considered a delicacy. Eating fugu is not a modern dare. Records of its consumption go back over 2,000 years. But for centuries, many emperors banned it. Too many had died from a meal that risked too much. Over time, however, danger evolved into art. Today, no one in Japan is allowed to prepare fugu without a special license. Every chef must undergo years of training, usually 3 to 5 years, learning every part of the fish, its anatomy, its dangers, its beauty. They learn to separate life from death with a single cut. The deadly organs, liver, ovaries, skin, are removed with millimeter precision. Only the pure, nearly transparent flesh remains. Finally comes the ultimate test. The apprentice must prepare a real fugu and then eat it himself. If he survives, he earns the title of fugu master. If not, it's his final meal. This test is no performance, it's real. A ritual of deep responsibility and respect. But why risk your life for a piece of fish? The answer is not in the taste. Fugu tastes delicate, lightly nutty, almost neutral. It's not the flavor that tempts people. It's the feeling. The moment you realize how close safety and danger truly are. The bite between life and death. For many Japanese, it's an act of trust in the chef, in tradition, in life itself. The city of Shimonoseki in southern Honshu is the capital of fugu. An entire region lives from this fish. On the markets, hundreds are traded daily, alive, numbered, strictly controlled. Every movement, every delivery, every cut is documented. One mistake, and whole batches are destroyed. This precision reflects the Japanese soul. Perfection down to the last detail, even when life and death are at stake. To order fugu in Japan is to experience a ritual, not just a meal. The fish is often served as sashimi, sliced paper thin and arranged in the shape of a chrysanthemum, the flower of death, a symbol showing how beauty and danger often speak the same language in Japan. Some enjoy it as soup, others deep-fried or in hot sake, hiresake, where the fish's fin infuses the drink with its aroma. Everything is calm, precise, deliberate. A dance of risk and trust. Tetrodotoxin, the poison of the pufferfish, is one of the strongest natural toxins known. Just 0.001 milligrams per kilogram of body weight can be fatal. A single grain of rice can kill an adult. But here's the fascinating part. The fish doesn't produce the toxin itself. It absorbs it through its diet, microorganisms and bacteria that create tetrodotoxin. These bacteria live in algae, shellfish and crustaceans, which enter the pufferfish's body, where the toxin accumulates in its liver, eggs and skin. The fish itself remains unharmed, immune to its own poison. It carries death within, yet lives untouched by it. When a human consumes the toxin, it begins subtly. A tingling on the tongue, numbness on the lips. Then dizziness, nausea, and muscle paralysis. Eventually, breathing stops. The body can no longer move while the mind remains fully awake. There is no antidote. Only artificial respiration can save a life, if help comes in time. Survivors describe the feeling as slowly sinking consciously into oneself. And yet, despite the danger, fugu remains a celebrated specialty in Japan. Not because of its taste, but because of its meaning. Trust, courage, control. Perhaps it's this razor's edge between life and death that makes it so fascinating. In modern medicine, tetrodotoxin is being studied in tiny doses. Scientists explore its ability to block nerve signals, which could one day help treat chronic pain, or even cancer. The fish that kills may someday heal. But in the sea, it remains what it has always been, a survivor. Few creatures dare to eat it. Even one bite of its skin can be fatal. Its poison is its armor, the perfect defense. And it has one more trick. When threatened, it inflates itself with air or water until it becomes a perfect sphere. Some species even display sharp spines. Too large, too dangerous, too unpredictable for predators. A silent warning that says, "You don't want to eat me." Only a few predators can take the risk. Some sharks, like tiger sharks, are immune. Certain sea snakes and moray eels have been seen devouring pufferfish. But its greatest enemy is man, not because he hunts it, but because he eats it, out of respect, out of courage, out of curiosity. Humans seek the edge, and fugu is that edge, served on a plate. The pufferfish is no hunter. It does not kill in anger, only to survive. It's peaceful, almost shy, a quiet dweller of the sea. It kills not by choice, but by design. A perfect example that true strength can lie in silence. In its beauty lies warning, in its danger, wisdom. Perhaps this is its quiet message. Beauty can be deadly, But danger can teach respect. The pufferfish reminds us that life is always a balance between trust and caution, curiosity and humility, and that true perfection sometimes lies in knowing the boundary and choosing not to cross it.